Hey guys, today we are making a pony bead snowflake hanging decoration. So you'll get a kit in a little plastic bag that has 3 pipe cleaners, 5-inch pipe cleaners, a 10-inch piece of ribbon, and then if you can see down there, I've got my assortment of beads ready to go. So what you do is, I find the middle of all 3 by kind of bending them in half, but keeping them all so kind of open. Hopefully you can hear me. My glasses are steaming up with my mask. Okay. Ugh. All right. So then, I do that to where there's them together, and then I just twist to where they actually are secure. And then if you read my direction one, you will hear me say the word spoke, or not hear, but see the word spoke, S-P-O-K-E, like a tire spoke. So see how it turns into a 6-pointed spoke type thing right here? My finger's hiding the other one. Okay. And this is still a little wobbly, so I'm going to twist again, because we don't want our snowflake falling apart. And then it's really, really, really simple from here. So just start beading. I do this alignment, but you can do whatever alignment of beads you want. I got 5 different colors of blue beads, or blue and clear and white. And then there's 2 different colors of pipe cleaners that are in the kits. There's white or there's blue. It's very random as to what you get, so I hope you like either one. See how I'm just beading onto it? And then you fold over the ends so they don't fall out. And then it kind of, I don't know if you can see it very well, see how it has kind of that little loop. It looks like a tiny, tiny toilet brush. So that's what you want on the end. There we go. And then fold the end over. If you have excess and you don't like all of that and you like it smaller like that, I did it like that so you can see that I tucked the end kind of in the last bead. So it makes it a little shorter than this one, just as a way of making it less spiky at the end, I guess. As a bonus to making a snowflake, you get to work on your fine motor skills. All right, one more. I didn't twist this enough, so it's very floppy, but that's okay, it's my tutorial. My demo is a lot less floppy. Not straight, but less floppy. Ta-da! Okay, so this is where you end, and then you get your ribbon. I fold it in half, and then after you fold it in half, you just tie a knot in it. There we go. And it has that on the end. And then you leave that one open kind of, so I bent it down to where it's kind of like a candy cane or a hook or whatever, and then finish bending it in, And voila! You've got a very lopsided, in my case, snowflake. Ta-da! So it'll either come with the white pipe cleaner or Chanel stem, whatever, or the blue. It depends on whatever you get, but I like both of them, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you. Have a good day.